Are you ready to grow your money but don't know where to start? In this video, I'm breaking down the basics of investing for beginners, so you can start building wealth, whether you have $100 or $1,000 to invest. Step 1. Understand the basics of investing. At its core, investing is about putting your money into something that has the potential to grow over time. Unlike saving, which keeps your money in a safe place like a bank, investing gives your money a chance to earn more. The two most common types of investments are stocks, buying shares of companies. When the company does well, your stock value can increase. Bonds, loaning money to the government or companies in exchange for interest. Bonds tend to be safer, but they don't offer huge returns. Step 2. Why start early? The earlier you start investing, the more you can take advantage of compound interest. Essentially, this means you earn money on your original investment, and then that money earns more money. Starting early gives your money more time to grow, which can make a huge difference in the long run. Step 3. Choose your investment account. To get started, you'll need to open an investment account. Here are a few common types. Brokerage account, a standard account where you can buy and sell stocks, bonds, and other investments. Retirement accounts, accounts like a 401k or IRA that offer tax benefits and are specifically for retirement savings. For beginners, a robo-advisor can be a great option. It's an automated service that invests your money for you based on your risk tolerance and goals. It's a simple, low-cost way to get started. Step 4. Diversify your investments. One key principle of investing is diversification. This means spreading your money across different types of investments, stocks, bonds, real estate, etc., to reduce risk. If one investment doesn't perform well, others might help balance it out. An easy way to diversify is through index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which pool money from many investors to buy a broad range of assets. Step 5. Set realistic expectations and stay consistent. Investing is a long-term game. While it can be tempting to try and make quick gains, remember that real wealth building happens over time. Stick to your investment plan, stay consistent, and don't get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. Step 6. Keep learning and adjusting. The world of investing is always changing, so it's important to keep learning. Follow credible sources, track your investments, and make adjustments as needed to stay aligned with your goals. And that's it. Investing for beginners doesn't have to be complicated, and now you know the basics to get started. The key is to start early, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone else looking to build their wealth. For more money-smart tips and investing advice, stay tuned for future videos.